In this video, I want to introduce you to my new studio. So this is one of the things that I've been up to during the last period of time, is sort of to upgrade the studio here. We have different kinds of light in here. We have a boom mic, and also we have some decorating light here in the back. And I hope you like this new interior, because that will sort of be the fixed point when doing videos here on the channel. Also, if you're new around here and want to improve your drone skills and learn about e-wheels, then consider subscribing to my weekly tips, tests and tutorials. I've been saying that on many of the previous videos, but for some reason when I kept saying it, I kept repeating it for myself, and maybe this was not really the right catchphrase that I wanted to use and associate here with the channel. That got me thinking, what is it that I actually do? What is my existence here on YouTube? Everything I do leads to the same purpose, and that is to help you make better videos. I hope that makes sense and that connects with you. So what do you think about the new studio? Do you like it? Is it an upgrade? You see, everything is more or less like it was. And while I'm looking at it, the logo. If you remember back in the old days, we had a very unique and distinctive logo that would make it very easy to spot the channel when you look through a list. I replaced that with this font type logo when I changed the name of the channel last summer. And I have basically been wanting to do a new logo ever since, but for some reason I didn't seem to be able to find something that would match my wishes. I've been through a lot of processes until 2 weeks ago, where I, in collaboration with one of my good friends, came up with a brilliant idea for a new logo. And I am very happy to introduce you to the new channel logo, so let's take a look. And I'm pretty excited because this is actually a revamp of the original Drones and Electric Unicycle logo, upgraded with a lot of features that flex sort of where I want to head with the channel. If you take a closer look at this logo, you can see there's a lot of elements incorporated into it. Can you spot all the elements that is merged into a single logo? If you can, then list them in the comment section below. So now we have a new logo. We have a new light design, and of course I will update the channel graphics so it reflects what you have seen here today. If you like this video, then feel free to give it a like. If you don't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.